Solve the simultaneous equations log 3x plus log 3y equals 2. I'm going to organize this. Okay, so one of the rules of logs is that if they're added together, that you can multiply them. So it's log 3xy, so you can multiply these parts together, equals 2. So I'm going to change this to indices. So it's 3 to the power of 2 equals xy. So 3 to the power of 2 equals xy. So 9 is equal to xy. Okay. And we look at the other one. Okay. So put this up here because there's a bit of work to be done in this one. Minus 2 log 9x equals 1. Immediately I can see that there's a problem. This is a base of 3 and this is a base of 9, so they don't match up. Okay, so we're going to have to change it, right? So I'm going to organize this. So there's a rule in logs. Okay, so log a x equals log bx over log ba. This is called the change of base formula. That if you have any one with a base, you can change it to any base you want using this formula. So this is what I have. I have log 9x. So I want to change it. And I want to change it to the same base that's here. So it's going to be log 3x over log 39. Okay, now if I work out what this is, and the calculator will do this for me, this actually works out to be log 3x over 2. Okay, so if I replace this, so I just cross this off, I'm going to replace this in here with this is. Okay, so I'll just color that. So this is going to be replaced in with there. Okay, so if I rewrite this out again, okay, right here, so it would be log 3 2y minus 3 minus 2 times log 3x over 2 equals 1. Okay, immediately I can see, well, these 2's are going to cancel. So what I have is log 3 2y minus 3 minus log 3x equals 1. I can combine these using the rules of logs. You get log 3 2y minus 3 all over x equals 1. And then change this to indices. You get 3 to the power of 1 equals this. So 3 to the power of 1 equals 2y minus 3 over x. Okay, so 3, multiply both sides by x, 3x is equal to 2y minus 3. Now, we have two equations. We have this equation and this equation. And we need to solve for x and y. Okay, so there's a number of ways to do it. Okay, I'm going to try and look at the easiest way to do it. I'm going to call x equals 9 over y. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace 9 over y in here where x is. So in this equation here, so this 9 over y is going to go in replacing that x there. Okay, so writing it out, I get 3 times 9 over y equals 2y minus 3. Multiply that out, 27 over y equals 2y minus 3. Multiply everything by y. I'll get rid of the y on the bottom. So multiply this by y, and this by y. Okay, this is what you'd get. You will get 27 equals 2y squared minus 3y. This is guide number, and it's equal to 0. And we're going to do the factors of this to make 3. So I'm going to just do this the quick way because I'm running out of room. So 2y and y, and the factor of 27 will be 9 and 3. And this is a minus and this is a plus. So if you did guide number on this, this is exactly what you'd get. Okay, so you're going to get two answers. These are two roots. So you get 2y minus 9 equals to 0. Y is equal to, bring it across to 9 and divide by 2, 9 over 2. And the other one is y plus 3 is equal to 0. You get y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so you have two answers. Which ones is relevant? Now if you look here, that if you put in minus 3 in here, this is not going to work because this would be a negative and you can't get the log of a negative number. Okay, so this, you discount this answer. So the answer for y is 9 over 2. So how do you find what x is? So what you do is you replace it. Okay, so look at this equation here. We know what x is equal to. X is equal to 9 over y. So x is equal to 9 over 2. So x works out to be 2. So there's my two values for x and y. And we discount this one because it doesn't make any sense. Okay?